Hello everyone, my name is Amitabh, a final year student and currently working as a DevOps engineer intern. And in this video, we are going to learn about AWS IAM roles, and we are going to cover about what is IAM role, what is a service role, and what are other types of IAM role apart from the service role, and how to create it and how to use it in your AWS services. So without any delay, let's get started. So what is a IAM role? Basically, IAM role is identity that you create in your AWS account that has a specific permission, what they can do or cannot do. It is similar to IAM user that has a specific permission policy to perform what they can do or they cannot do. So similarly is IAM role is, and a service role is a role which is assumed by a services in your AWS account. Suppose a EC2 want to perform some action on your behalf, then you can create a service role and attach it to EC2, and on your behalf the EC2 can perform the action which is defined in your permission policy. So let's start with the hands-on part. So for that, log in into your AWS account. In that, go to your IAM service, and in that, go to your IAM roles. So this is a role which is you can read here. An IAM role is an identity that you can create that has a specific permission with a credential that are valid for a short duration. So it is a temporary based credential. So roles can be assumed by entity that you trust. So entity can be your IAM user, services, can be EC2, S3, and your application also. So for creating a IAM role, click on the create role. So these are type of entities in your IAM role. So this is a service role and this is a AWS account. So you are providing access to AWS account to perform your action in your AWS account. So you can attach this also or web identity and this SAM 2.0 federation or a custom trusted policy. In this video, we are going to create the AWS service role. So we are creating a service for suppose EC2. So we are creating a EC2 service role. So we are selecting the use case as the EC2. Click on next. In that, what a EC2 can perform, you can attach the policy. For now, I'm gonna attach as a administrator. So let's click on next, and you can provide a name of your service role. So I will write as a EC2 my role. Okay, we are allowing to assume the role to the service and have a administrator access, so you can create the role. So you can see a role created. You can simply search. Okay, so this is the role I have created. So this is how you can create a role which is a service role in your AWS account, and how to use it we will going to cover in another video, because I have not covered the EC2 and other AWS services yet. So I recommend you to understand till now what is the IAM role, how to create a IAM service role, and in upcoming video I'm gonna cover that how to use a AWS IAM role. So that's all for this video. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching this video. मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, bye.